Guys, I'm working on, actually I put the back bumper, working on putting the lights, but I noticed that I'm gonna have to take this plastic off here and paint it, because my car is obviously shiny black and this looks very ashy and old, which it is. At least it's not cracked. It could definitely be worse, but I'm gonna get to this. And if anybody knows why I keep getting fish eye, I don't know if the camera's catching it on this thing, man, but you see it? Unless I have to sand it, primer on top of this paint. But yeah, it's looking good. Just gotta put it together. Painting up the stock intake. The lip is on. I'm gonna work on doing the headliner, order the material for that. So I'll keep you guys posted. Install the mirror. I do have to finish bolting down these Miata seats. Nice dash with only one crack. Clean this up. I have to detail all this, and if anybody is selling the carpet, the tan carpet, beige carpet, whatever, as long as it's tan or beige, I just need this. The back is actually really clean, so I don't need that. And I did have some more plans. I don't know yet. I do have this roll bar, so I have to do that. I was thinking, I don't know yet, but I am doing the top of the headliner chocolate coffee brown to match the dash. I might want to do something back here and add some of that flavor back here. I don't know yet, but